Brian, I'd love to hear about what do you feel like is changing the fastest in manufacturing sales and how are you all adapting?
Our customers' overall digital dexterity is on the rise. There's a lot more platforms to engage and touch points with. Managing all that through a selling process has probably been the biggest challenge that we've been trying to overcome and figure out where to meet our buyers, whether it's LinkedIn or webinars, or now you get into generative AI-based search platforms and large language models, our own online chat systems, conversational intelligence. People are all over the place, moving around pretty quickly, and trying to keep track of that, meeting our buyers where they are, has probably been our number one challenge so far.
What was your we can't keep doing it this way moment and how did that lead you to SalesLoft?
For us, it was when we started to think about new customer acquisition and retention. Those principles of how to measure new customer acquisition and how to think about retention, that was the first aha moment. For us, it was really that revenue ops principle of acquiring new accounts, retaining the ones that are already existing, and how do you measure that performance and actually impact that. That was probably our light bulb moment of when it made sense to start thinking about SalesLoft.